Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's quick project is going to be reversing the door on a dryer. This door actually hinges on the right side here, and it opens up this way. We want it to open up the other way, the other side, the left side. So we're going to come in here today and we're going to take the striker out here. We're going to remove these hinges on this side over here, and we're going to screw them in on this other side over here. Now I will bring you in and I'm going to show you everything I'm going to do so you'll have an idea, but I want to note this to you as well. This particular model, it tells you that the striker right here on the door where it locks into, this piece here, if you try to remove it, it's probably going to break because it goes in and it does not come out. So when you read the directions, it tells you that you need to replace this catch here with a new one. So let me show you the part number, and then we're going to put it in right at this bottom part over here. All right, so this is the replacement part right here, and as you can see, I did get it right from GE. I didn't want to get an aftermarket and have it be almost perfect, but not quite. We're going to do the job once and we're going to be done with it. All right, so what we're going to need is we're going to need a flathead type spackling knife or scraper or a very small screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. And we should be able to take care of this. All right, first thing we're going to do, it tells you the directions that you should unplug the dryer from the wall. I'm not going to because you really don't need to, because we're not touching anything electronic inside here. We're basically just going to be removing a couple of pieces and switching them over to the other side. All right, so enough talking. Let's get in there and let's get this job done. We're going to take our putty knife, just like this here, or scraper, put it underneath the corner like this, hold it with your finger, and then just pull it out. You don't want to lose these because we may have to use these on that side over there. So we're just going to put them in a safe spot for now. We're going to do the exact same thing on this one right here. Do the same thing down on the bottom. Right here. And here. Now you want to use something that's not going to scratch the dryer itself. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our door and we're going to come in here. We're going to remove the bottom screw. We're just going to take out the bottom screw for now on both top and bottom hinges. Just like this. Be careful because we need to use these screws over again. We're going to take that out, and we're going to take this bottom one out here as well. Okay. Next we're going to come over to the other side now, and we're going to screw this into the top right here, partially. We're not going to screw it all the way in, just partially in. These are actually self-tapping screws, just so you know, so it is a little bit hard to get them in there. Make sure you use a good quality screwdriver so you don't strip out the screws. The same thing on the bottom down here. Again, you're going into the top screw hole, just like that. And we're going to screw it in partially like that. And now we're going to come over on the other side and we'll remove the other side. Okay, next we're going to remove the hinge on the bottom. Right down here, we're going to loosen up that screw right there. We're not going to take it out, we're just going to loosen it. Same thing here, on the top screw, we're going to loosen it again. I'm not taking it out, we're just going to loosen it. Okay, and after it's loose, then we'll take the door, lift it up. Okay, we're going to take the door off like that. We're going to lay this on a flat surface now. Next, we're going to come over to this clip right here, and we're just going to pry it. It comes out very easy, actually. It just pops right out. We're going to take our new clip, and as you can see, once you put it into the door, it snaps in place and it's going to be very difficult to get it back out. So we're just going to take this, put it in here like this, and push it, and it snaps right in. Okay, this one we're going to leave it because if we try to take it out, it's just going to break. And just in case we want to reverse it in the future, at least it'll be here already. Now this piece, this is going to be trash. All right, and again, that's the part number right there. Okay, now let's put it back up on the dryer. Before we put the door on, we're going to take our striker back off here, and we're just going to unscrew this and unscrew this. Again, I told you before, don't lose these screws, hold on to them. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Next we're going to go over to this one right here, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to take this off. Take this off. Install the new one from the left side over to the right side. We're just going to catch it by 1 or 2 threads. We'll catch the next one in here as well. Screw it in. Now we can tighten it down. Okay. We'll put this plate back on here now. Again, it's the same way. You put it back on the same way you took it off. Going to catch it by a couple of threads. We'll put the replacement, the lower one, we'll place that now. Let's screw it in till it's snug. And now we'll tighten this one up here as well. Okay, that's that. Next, we're ready to reinstall the door. And now you can tell the door itself, see how it's slotted? The holes are slotted. So we're just going to catch it on the top 2 right now. First, we're going to catch the bottom one. And we'll do the same thing on the top one. We'll let it slide down, and now both of them are in there. Next, we're going to take the 2 screws out of the other side. Hope you're not getting dizzy by getting turned from side to side. We're going to take out this screw here. We're going to remove the other top screw up here. Okay, and before we switch over to put these screws in, we'll kind of take those little white tabs that we took out of the other side, and we're going to put them right back in here, like that. They don't screw in or anything, they just push right in. Okay, now let's put the other hinge screws back in there. Okay, next we're going to come over and we're going to remove those 2 screws that we just removed from the right side, and we're going to screw them in to the top over here. These are self-tapping again, so be careful you don't strip them. We're not tightening up anything tight yet. We're just going to screw it in a couple of threads. Do the same thing on the bottom one down here as well. Okay. And now after we have all 4 of them caught, we'll come in there and we'll tighten it up. Okay, nice and tight. Now let's make sure it closes okay. Perfect. And now our dryer opens up the other way. So as you can see, reversing the door is very easy. I will tell you this, make sure that you use a good quality screwdriver, something that's not going to strip out the screws, because if they strip out, you're going to have a bit of a problem getting them in or getting them out if you ever have to do it again. All right, use a good screwdriver. Make sure you use a scraper that's not going to scratch the paint, and use the OEM part so you don't have a problem. That's it. This job is done, and we're on to the next. As always, thanks for... Oh, I want to remind you, if you like this video and you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button down below. When you hit the subscribe button, you're going to get a bell come up. That bell, you can turn on the notifications to be notified of any future uploads that I do. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.